Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about normal versus better English. Normal English, don't waste time. Better English, stop goofing off. Come to the point, don't beat around the bush. This excites me. This gives me kicks. Keep quiet. Bite your tongue. I like your goggles. I like your shades. You make me laugh. You crack me up. Hurry up. Shake a leg. Icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.